Did you know that the human eye can distinguish between approximately 10 million different colors? The eye can also detect light particles as small as a single photon, which is amazing considering how small they are. Our eyes are always moving, making tiny, rapid movements called saccades to help us focus and take in our surroundings. Blinking helps to keep our eyes lubricated and protect them from dust and debris. The human eye is composed of over 2 million working parts, making it one of the most complex organs in our body. Have you ever wondered how we see in the dark? Well, the human eye has a specialized part called the retina that contains cells called rods, which are more sensitive to light and help us see in low light conditions. The iris, the colored part of the eye, not only gives our eyes their unique appearance, but it also controls the size of the pupil, regulating the amount of light that enters the eye. Surprisingly, the human eye is more sensitive to seeing shades of green compared to any other color. Eyes are truly incredible. The cornea, the clear front surface of the eye, refracts light to help focus and direct it onto the retina. Crying actually helps to cleanse and moisturize the eye, as tears contain antibacterial properties and serve as a protective barrier against infection. Did you know that newborn babies can only see in black and white for the first few months of their lives? Over time, their eyes develop the ability to perceive colors. The human eye is self-lubricating, producing tears to keep the surface of the eye moist and comfortable. When we look at an object, our brain creates a mental image based on the information received from both eyes. Each eye captures a slightly different perspective, allowing us to perceive depth and three-dimensional vision. Have you ever noticed that some people have different colored eyes? This unique condition is called heterochromia, and it occurs when a person has different amounts of pigment in each eye. The muscles in our eyes are the fastest and most active muscles in our body, allowing us to move our eyes quickly and accurately. The human eye is incredibly durable and can last a lifetime if properly cared for. Speaking of caring for our eyes, wearing sunglasses with proper UV protection helps to shield our eyes from harmful UV rays. Our peripheral vision, or side vision, is not as sharp as our central vision, but it allows us to detect motion and objects outside our direct focus. Interestingly, irises have unique patterns just like fingerprints, meaning no two people have exactly the same eye color or pattern. The human eye is fascinating and constantly gathering information about the world around us. Isn't it incredible how such a small organ can play such a significant role in our lives? The eye is the second most complex organ in the body after the brain. It is made up of over 2 million working parts. Your eyes start developing in the womb around just 16 weeks after conception. The human eye can process over 36,000 pieces of information every hour and can differentiate between over 10 million different colors. Your eyes contain light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. Rods help with night vision while cones detect color. The colored part of your eye is called the iris. Its function is to control the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the pupil size. The average person blinks 15 to 20 times per minute. Blinking helps spread tears across and clean the surface of the eye. Your field of vision is approximately 170 to 180 degrees wide with both eyes open. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to visual problems and eventual blindness. It supports the eye's photoreceptors. The cornea is the clear outer layer of the eye which focuses most of the light that enters. It contains no blood vessels. Cataracts, glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration are among the most common age-related eye diseases.